ये शीट किसने अपडेट किया था?
डाटा मैच ही नहीं हो रहा यार।
You know that inventory sheet everyone's supposed to update, but never does. Yeah, that's where Assetrics comes in. Meet Assetrics, the smart web-based system that tracks every asset, repair and report in one place. It works on both desktop and phone browsers. No downloads, no installation. Powered by Google Sheets and AppSheet, it updates everything in real time. Add items, track movement, mark repairs, and keep everything audit ready. Whether it's schools, small businesses, or consultancies,
रिपोर्ट्स बिल्कुल क्लियर मिल रहे हैं।
Assetrics fits right in. Real-time control, organized assets, and no more missing reports. Start with Assetrics today and make your inventory finally make sense.